Hey you guys, Cassie Causey here, and I'm going to show you how to change this hot mess hair express into a curled goddess using this amazing Lange Le Cinq collection. We're not going to use all of them, but this Lange collection actually has 5 different wands for the price of 2, you guys. So if you're a wand lover, this is what you want to get. So it comes with a tapered wand, which is a 19 millimeter to a 25 millimeter. So you get the 19, the 25, a bubble wand, and the 32. So today I think I might do the 25, or should we do the 19? So I want really tight curls. Why don't we go for the 19? This is going to give me really tight small curls. So it comes with this right here, and what you're going to do is you can unlock it like this, pull your wand out, put the one in that you want, and then lock it back in place. Let's set it to 430. I'm going to set it to 430, and it's just going to heat up really quickly. So this is after I've washed my hair and I've done absolutely nothing else to my hair. Doesn't have any other products. I've just washed and dried it, and I haven't put anything in it. So I'm going to show you everything that I put in my hair as I'm curling it, and it's already ready to go. So if your guys are ready, I do like this because it does have the safety tip at the end. It also comes with a glove, so if you want to protect your hands. So here we go. Okay, so we have our curls. What do you guys think so far? So I'm not quite done. What I'm going to do, because I do want my curls to be a little loose, I am going to take my hands up under my curls and shake them out just a little bit. Now you may like your curls this tight. I like mine just a little bit loose. And then I'm going to run my fingers through my curls just to loosen them a little bit. When I get it to where I want it to be, I am going to take my spray. This is my sea salt spray, and it's a texturizing spray. It smells amazing. And it's just going to add a little more texture to my hair. There are my curls. What do you guys think? I love it. Make sure you share this video or subscribe to my channel, because I will be sharing more hair tutorials and videos like this. Make sure you guys go grab your Le Cinq. And if you get to the website and it is sold out, make sure that you click to be emailed when it comes back in stock, because as soon as it comes back in stock, you guys, it sells out pretty quickly, because all of those people who have selected to be emailed gets emailed first and has first dibs. Thank you so much for joining me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look.